American Lithium Minerals Inc. stock analysis. This stock came to our notice by one of the viewers on our channel, so we will just quickly have a look and see what's going on with it. And it closed the session of the 9th of February 2021 at 87 cents. And some activity is already going on right there in the pre-market session of the 10th of February. It has a market cap of $50.1 million, 57.616 million shares outstanding, and there isn't any news there for it. And technically, American Lithium Minerals, yes, that's it, appears to be correcting within a longer term bullish trend. Is it correcting within a longer term bullish trend? Okay, evidently it's giving this all-time high of $1.41 and the current price of 87 cents. It is easily correcting, yes. So since 87 cents is less than 10% of $1.41, and 10% 10% pullback is a correction. So since it's below that 10%, it is in a correction mode. Although its MACD is presently below the signal line, shares remain 852.6% above an upward sloping 200-day moving average. Comparative relative strength analysis shows that it is outperforming the S&P 500 index. Momentum for American Lithium Minerals is strongly bullish. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is rising as investors pay higher prices for shares. The unbalanced volume indicator is bullish. The slope of the indicator is positive and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. Okay, let's go ahead and have a look. Yes, even though it is trading slightly above its 10-day trend line, and that 10-day trend line is also not even looking up. It is tipping over for some reason. Yeah, that's quite it obviously does happen, you know. It's pulling away from the stock itself. So at that price, at the closing price of 87 cents, the 10-day trend line is pointing at 76 cents. Okay. Oh, I can imagine that if we were looking up, it will be looking up. It will be converging with the current price of the stock itself. So it better look down to differentiate itself from the rally and the ascent it has had, you know, just to differ, I suppose, you know. So it's it's trading above that trend line, but it's still not very far away from it, you know. And also given all that is going on in the space American Lithium Minerals operates, which is a high interest and probably demand for the minerals they probably peddle and mine, you know. So given all of those things, you know, by all means, you know, if you want to jump in, go ahead and do so. And we see that it pulls back and also tries to recover as well. And at the same time as well, it is quite affordable. It is at not even up to approximately 90 cents, you know. And as always, you know, if you're going to jump in, you know, it's small amount of money, no serious, no huge investment, you know, small amount of money, and get going from there, you know. Market participants are obviously looking at American Lithium Minerals, and they're also looking at all the other ones. The other one that has a similar name, American Battery Metals, you know, and they're saying yes, this is definitely an opportunity, you know. And we have seen evidently how these stocks pull all their cohorts along. We saw that with Plug Power and Fuel Cell Energy. And Enphase today is also in the news today, the 10th of February 2021, and it may have at the same time also pulled some of its cohort along. I believe Plug Power and are also a cohort of Enphase. So yes, by all means, if you can't wait, put a small amount of money in it, and let's see how it goes. We have not been able to carry out any extension analysis. Okay, let's see if we can quickly do that. So if we pick this point of 85 cents and then include this point of 59 cents, so we have 87 minus okay, let's roughly call it 60 cents. So we have 27 cents. So 27 cents. Let's see whether we can do that while they are here. 27 cents. So 0.27 times 0.618 will give us roughly 17 cents. So we will add this. This is the 61.8% of the difference between this low point and this high point, and then we'll add that 68% fraction, 61.8% fraction to this price of 85 cents, and then we will be able to find out, we'll be able to guess what the next extension level will be. So we'll that will give us it will give us $1.02. So that is the next extension level, next natural extension level, which is the 61.8% extension level. And then the next one after that, 61.8, will now be 27 plus 85 pence. So that's the 100% extension level. It will give us I think $1.12, which will be the 100% extension level. So indeed, like I pointed out before, market participants do these analysis, and even in as much as they may not exactly use the same price points, reference and price points and the reference points that we have used in this case, they look at all these things, and I wouldn't expect them even to be looking at a retracement analysis. They'll be looking at an extension analysis, especially going by all that is going on in the lithium, in the EV space, and on the electric battery, motor battery space, and all that stuff. So they'll be doing an extension analysis, and they might even determine higher prices that we have just determined right now. So yes, like I said, if you want to get in, it's small amount of money. Anything you can afford to lose. By all means, do so. Okay. So if you're new to this channel, subscribe, like, and share. Okay, and thank you for those who have been watching and supporting us. And keep subscribing. We determined that in the last week we had about 9,000 unique viewers of our videos. If all those guys subscribed, we'll have a subscriber count that is way beyond 11,000. So subscribe, like, and share, and thank you very much again.